Your online college algebra class has been selected to do an instructional evaluation. Today I'm going to talk with you about how to do that. The survey is open between April 13th, which was yesterday, all the way up into April 28th. So please take some time in the next few weeks to fill out this instructional survey. This gives you an opportunity to give feedback on the course itself. To do that, you'll want to log into your portal. So you go to our web page, you'll click on your My Allen. From here, you're going to find the Academics tab. Yours looks different than mine, but you'll want to find the Academics tab across the top. You'll click on that, and you will see Instructional Evaluation. You will have your college algebra course listed here. You might also have other courses as well. So you want to go ahead and fill those out so that I can get feedback on how you felt the course was going. And again, you have until April 28th to complete that. Thank you.